Welcome to the Live Wide Open podcast. I'm your host, Randy B. Ramirez, the high performance mentor, and I'm here to lead you to become the best version of yourself. This show raises the bar for other motorsport enthusiasts. Holding it wide open, it's just what we do. Being a good person is who we are, and living our lives to the fullest is the lifestyle that we choose. This is crazy, let me ask you this, if the version of you from 2 years ago, just 2 years ago, walked into this room today, would he even recognize the man that you've become? Think about it. Not because of the money, not because of the house, not because of the motorcycles, but because of your habits, of your mindset, of your discipline, of your character. You see, today, my brother, today, it's a good day. Today marks over 810 intentional days of banging fucking gears. And when I mean bang gears, I mean attacking all 6 areas of your life that I feel are more important to you. Your mind, your spirit, your body, your relationship, your legacy, and your passions. You see, every single freaking day, we bang those gears. And let me tell you something, dog. The biggest reward wasn't reaching 810 days. The biggest reward was becoming the man who actually could reach the 810 days. Because, bro, when I started this journey, bro, that shit felt like, oh my God, 1,000 days? Holy shit. What the I fucking commit to, bro? And when I tell people about it, they're like, holy shit, yeah, that's a fucking long time. And I was like, I know. I didn't think I could do it. I had to become the man who could do it. And now when people hear 810 days, they think like, holy shit, that's fucking impressive. And it probably is. But brother, you know what they don't see? They don't see the mornings that I didn't feel like journaling. They didn't see the times when I didn't want to work out. I didn't really want to do this shit. The times when the prayers, they felt dry. When I missed gears. Like the days when life punched me straight in the fucking mouth, when it knocked me down to the floor, the moments when I questioned everything. You see, they'll see 810 days, but I remember day 17. I remember day 43. I remember day 122. I remember day 306. Like the days where I wanted to quit, the days where I didn't think I could keep going, the days when I was like, oh my God, why the fuck did I even start that shit? You see, those days, dog, it's where the transformation truly happened. It doesn't happen at the finish line. It happens during the fight. And I ain't even at the finish line. I could already see that during the fight, it has worked. I have elevated in ways I didn't think I could. I really couldn't. I really didn't think so. And yet here, I am so hyped and energetic and excited to see where the fuck more this keeps growing me into. Because look, you don't rise to your goals. What this has taught me is that you fall to your identity. 2 very big things. That is one of the biggest things that I've learned through this journey, is that your goals, dog, look, they'll inspire you, but your identity, what happens is that your identity is what sustains you. You see, when I first started on this journey, I literally had to force myself, bro. I had to fucking force myself. I truly did. Everything felt intentional. Everything felt like, oh my God, like a job, like clockwork. Like, no, I gotta make this, I gotta do this, and I gotta do this. It took major fucking discipline to get the ball rolling. But now, this is just who I am. This is just what I do. I don't wake up and ask myself, am I gonna bang gears today? No. It's just like asking myself are you gonna brush your teeth today? It's just part of who I've become. And my brother, that right there, that's where true freedom lives. When the habits start feeling like work, when the habits start feeling like this is just who you are, this is your identity, this is who you become, this is just what we do. That right there, my brother, that is what this is all about. Don't chase the outcome, chase becoming the man who naturally creates the outcome. That is the whole purpose of this, to create some habits in my life that I do them repeatedly every day, and I bang gears for so long that by the time I pass the 1,000 mark, it's just part of who I am. And I'm 800 days in, I could already tell you it's just who I am. And it's not all perfect streak. I do have missed some gears, but I get right back up and I get back to it. And what that has created is this consistency in me that proves with day after day after day, stacking, that I can do this forever. And forever is a fucking long time, but that is the whole point. Create habits in your life that will help you elevate and level up so fucking hard that you couldn't become the man who could without them. You see, perfection doesn't build warriors, dog. Recovery does. And let me make that a little clear. Like, let's get one thing straight here. The record, as much as I would love for it to be fucking 100% perfect, is not perfect. Like, I did go a little over a year with not missing anything, but the record isn't perfect. I've missed gears. I've had bad days. I've fallen flat on my fucking face. I truly have. But here's the difference, dog. Here's the difference that back then I wouldn't have realized it, that now I know. I have never let one bad day become 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Most men, they don't lose because they fail. Most men, they lose because they stay down. And this is what this journey has taught me. If you keep going, you ain't gonna fail. You can't stay down. You know what I'm talking about? You miss one workout and then you miss another one. You miss one prayer and then all of a sudden the prayer disappears for the whole week. You miss one opportunity and then you convince yourself that, oh, I'm never gonna fucking recover from this. Brother, recovery is the real superpower here. Every time you get back up, you literally reinforce the identity of a man who refuses to fucking quit. And that right there is how warriors are built. This is the whole purpose of why I'm going on this journey of doing something over and 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 over a fucking again until it's just who the fuck I am. It's just what I do. I don't wake up and question if I'm gonna do this. It's just I fucking do it because it's who I am. And so become your gift to the world. Like, why do we all do this? Like, think about it. A lot of people have asked me, like, why do you go on this mission? Why do you go? Like, sometimes doesn't it feel like too much going on when you live such a busy life and you got to bang 6 gears every day and that turns into 12 tasks and all this stuff going on? Why do you do it? Why do you journal? Why do you pray? Why do you train? Why do you work? Why do you sacrifice? Dog, why do we do all that? So we can become fucking better husbands. So we can become better fathers. So we become better sons. So we can become better leaders. So that we can become better friends. So that we become better businessmen. Better examples. Better fucking role models, my brother. The world doesn't need another talented man with no discipline. The world needs disciplined men with strong fucking character. Like, yo, imagine your wife getting the best version of you. Imagine your kids never meeting the broken version of you. Imagine your employees seeing the consistency instead of giving up during the chaos. Like, imagine your friends watching you become living proof that change is fucking possible. That's right there, my brother, what being a wide open warrior is all about. We become our best so that everyone around us experiences our best. Like, when you become your best, you get to give to the world your best. It's just plain and simple terms. And so my question for you is this, my brother. If the version of you from 2 years ago, like I've been on this journey for 2 years, 800 days, met you today, would he be inspired or where you wouldn't even recognize him? And then my challenge for you, dog, is just tonight, what I want you to do is I want you to grab a notebook and I want you to down one sentence. Very simple. The man I am becoming, and then finish it. Finish that sentence. The man that I am becoming, see what comes out. Because look, you need to be able to establish habits if you want to change your identity. Or you need to get rid of the old habits in order to create a new identity, right? So as you write that sentence, as you write that challenge, and you write, the man I am becoming, blank, I want you to identify one habit that you can do repeatedly every day that proves that you're becoming that man. Not once, not when you're motivated, every single fucking day. Bang that gear until it becomes who you are. Just how I'm fucking doing it with this 1,000 day mark. I bang gears, I bang 6 gears every fucking day. So are you willing to become the man that you really want to become? Or you just want to dream about it and say that, life got busy and I couldn't really do what I really wanted to do? Huh? Look, my brother, 1,000 days isn't the real goal here. It might be the milestone, but it's not the real goal. The real goal is becoming the kind of man who your family can always count on. The kind of man who keeps his fucking word. The kind of man who stands back up every single time life knocks him down. The kind of man whose old identity wouldn't even recognize this new version of him anymore. That's what a wide open warrior is. We don't chase perfection. We chase transformation. And eventually, my brother, transformation becomes your identity. Wide open warrior, let's get it. Wide open is the fucking way. Yo, I'm planting the checkered flag, claiming victory for every single wide open warrior that's out there. My brother, this is your wake-up call. Break the chains, step out of the average, and become this badass motherfucker that you were born to be. Yo, this Live Wide Open movement isn't just a podcast. This is a mission that God has stamped in my heart. And helping you rise is exactly what we're gonna fucking do. So make sure you lock this shit in and you hit that subscribe button so you never miss another episode. And yo, if today's message, it lit that fire in your chest, and my brother, then don't you dare keep this shit to yourself. Fuel another brother. Send this to another motorhead. Send this to another gearhead. Send this to another man who you know is also hungry for more. Because look, building a better life for our families is non-fucking negotiable. It's time to get up, it's time to lock in, and it's time to get to fucking work, dog. Wide open is the fucking way. Let's go.